Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a video to your Shopify homepage easily. First of all guys, open up your Shopify admin store and then you need to click on your online store and open up themes from over here. Then it will open up your website for you. After that, click on customize. So it will take you guys to the homepage where you can edit the homepage of your website. And then you will find all of these different options here, but all you need to do is scroll down and tap on add section. And at the search bar, make sure to search for video. Here he is, click on it. And the video section will be added at the left down corner. So now click on video button and it will open up this little page so you can customize your video. So first, give your video a heading. Let's write down video test. And then you guys will have the heading size and a bunch of different stuff. You can play around with this, depends on what you prefer. But what matters for us right now is how we can add a video. So from over here, we have a URL. So all you need to do is get a URL for any website or YouTube to add to your website. So I'm just gonna copy the link from one of our YouTube videos and I'm gonna paste it right here. And as you can see, it will find the video for you here. You can customize the other options as well. And once you finish, make sure to click on save. And this way you will be able to add a video to your Shopify store. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.